Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hopes all my dear viewers are doing great. So dear viewers, today I am back with another new video. In this video you will see such a beautiful and stunning decoration pieces ideas. All the ideas are very attractive, unique and colorful. So my dear viewers, as we know the Christmas is coming soon and everyone is waiting for the beautiful occasion. Our Christmas community is very excited to celebrate their beautiful festival. All the Christians celebrate this festival with joys and happiness, and they also decor their home in this occasion. So, my dear viewers, my videos and my ideas are very helpful for your home decor, which enhance the beauty and of your home. So, my dear viewers, decor your home in this occasion and take ideas from my videos. On my YouTube channel, all my videos are very helpful for my all dear viewers. So my dear viewers, please support me. Your support is very important for me. Keep liking my videos and share my videos with your family, friend. Also, my dear viewers, the most important thing, subscribe my channel first and don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing, unique and trending outstanding stunning centerpieces ideas. All the ideas are very attractive, unique, colorful, decorated with such a unique and gorgeous theme. So watch this video till end. So my dear viewers, have a great day, stay blessed, stay happy.